Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subby. Okay. Like, I know y'all see. I know y'all see this. I know y'all. Because y'all know with that synthetic, you gotta have a brush with you, especially with that straight synthetic. But I know y'all see how gorgeous this hair is. Let me show y'all how I took my wig from this to this. Literally, this took me 15 minutes, and I do not have any glue on my head. I just have a wig cap on. We're gonna get into it. Let me show y'all.
First of all, let's not forget a shortcut is always cute. Okay, I recently did a big chop and I still love my short hair, but we do need to slick the edges back. I use my edge booster and then I just put as much gel as I think I'll need. And then I spray Got To Be in it, comb it back, blow dry it. But I think because it's short, it didn't really hold as best as I thought it was going to, honestly. But I just needed the bulk of it slicked back so that it wasn't super fluffy in the front. Next, I'm gonna use the wig cap that came with this U&A hair shop wig. And this wig is going to be linked down below. I got it off of TikTok shop. It was $60. And this is also my first glueless wig. Right off the bat, she's also synthetic. This is a 9x7 frontal lace. And I didn't like how it didn't go all the way across to my ears because my hairline is like really crazy. Now the hair itself is gorgeous. I love the color. Like honestly, if my hairline wasn't this crazy and I didn't have to cut it like how I had to or how I felt like I had to, then I feel like the wig would have ate. But I realized I have a very, very peculiar hairline. So although I did love the idea of who doesn't love the idea of a glueless wig? It's just with my hairline, how it peeks out by my eyebrows. It doesn't just go straight out where it is. Like, I don't know, like it's weird. But nonetheless, I was like, I'm still gonna try to do as much as I can to the wig to make her look natural. So I got my Fit Me pressed powder, tinted the lace, and then I was like, let me see how it looks after I cut it. I ended up hating the middle part. So I was like, okay, let's see what a side part is going to look like. So I went ahead and just parted out a nice, cute side part. And honestly, y'all, I was truly hoping for the best at this point. Okay, so even though the side of my hair is showing like my hairline on the side where the part is, like I was like, you know what, this looks a lot better than the middle part. I even got a close-up with the lighting. Like this is a good unit. I feel like if your hairline is kind of like one of those straight across hairlines, you're good, right? So I went ahead and I was like, you know what, let me just put some concealer right there. Let me go ahead. Y'all, there's a dog barking in the background. Like really? Anyway, I was like, let me go ahead and like make the part look neat and clean. Like I was like, let me just try my best to, you know, jazz up this wig so that it just doesn't look as not fitting. I don't know. I actually, like, I liked it in the end, and then the more that I looked at it, I was like, I just would rather lay a lace front down. Like I would rather do that. But I would still wear this with like a headband. But you know, I even tried to take out my hot comb, y'all. I even tried to hot comb it down and like see if I could make it look just more neat to where the front of it wouldn't look as stand out-ish. Like I was even like, maybe I could swoop my edges and make it like, I might try that, like swooping my edges whenever my hair gets a little longer into the part where I feel like it's showing, because it's cute, y'all. I mean, like, this is a cute wig. I really did enjoy her, like the color, the body of it. She's gorgeous. It's just like, I don't think I cut it right for my hairline, but it did what it needed to do.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Oh my gosh. The fact that I don't have heavy glue on my head right now and this still looks pretty decent. I'm just gonna get really close and let y'all see the hairline up close. Like, yes, the hairline is there, but y'all, it's like truly not that bad at all. Like, for just something quick, you know what I'm saying? And you just need to go. I have a huge forehead, but if you just need something real quick, y'all, see, and like you don't feel like having a bunch of glue on, I'm just giving y'all all the close-ups of what it looks like. That is gonna conclude this video. If you want to see how I got this gorgeous makeup look, y'all can go check out this video right here. This is my go-to 2025 makeup look. If I need a quick slay, I'm doing this look. It's dependable, the products are to die for, and I can always count on this look. If you also want to see an in-depth tutorial of this siren eyeliner, go check this video out right here. Y'all been asking for it, so I have delivered. Okay, it is a in-depth tutorial of how I do this siren eye, so y'all check that out if you want to see that in-depth step-by-step tutorial. But that is going to conclude this hair video. I still definitely want to get into the frontals and the whatnot, so y'all definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment on the video. With that all being said, thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.